All right, we are here at the Shinjuku Prince Hotel, and I wanted to give you a quick room tour. We actually got here yesterday, but we were way too tired to do anything. So there's a bunch of our stuff here, but the view, obviously, the best part. So this is a king room. This has twice the square footage as just the regular room, which is crazy because it's not huge. I mean, it's really not bad. I think it's pretty nice, but just so you know, this is about the size of it. Nice bed, desk area, a seating area. There's storage underneath, plenty of storage. And actually there is a coffee maker here, and there's a tea kettle also with plenty of tea. So drawers here. There is a microwave, oh, I'm sorry, not a microwave. We don't have a microwave, but we do have a refrigerator and a safe. And then drawers, closet. I mean, really, there's plenty of stuff here. Bathroom. So there is a door to this part of the bathroom, which is nice. And then little sink area. This is the craziest part. So first of all, there's a step up. So a bathroom. This is my first bidet experience, which is super nice. And the toilet is heated, which is crazy. And then bathtub. This does look much bigger than it is. It is actually pretty big, but this is pretty short. It's definitely, like I'm 5'10" and I can't even barely sit in it. So, however, not bad. I mean, the fact that we have a bathtub is pretty nice. So for 1 week for 2 people, it's great. Oh, I do want to mention this too. This stair I am terrified of in the middle of the night, just like forgetting it's there and just falling straight forward. There's a nice little edge here my head's gonna crack on. That'll be fun. Yeah, so pretty nice. We're pretty happy so far with this room. King room, Prince Shinjuku Hotel in Tokyo, Japan. The Shinjuku Prince Hotel was built in 1977 and is integrated with the Seibu Shinjuku Shopping Center and the Shinjuku Railway Station. Part of the Seibu Prince Hotels and Resorts chain, it has been part of the larger Prince Hotels history, which began in the mid-20th century with the first Prince Hotel opening in 1947, shortly after World War II. I chose this hotel specifically for the location, and it was perfect for our first trip to Japan. It was right in the middle of Shinjuku, which is a bustling neighborhood of Tokyo. Our room had an amazing view, and we were right above the Shinjuku train station, which is a gateway to the rest of Tokyo and really the rest of Japan. There are numerous restaurants on site, including a rooftop restaurant and bar and a breakfast buffet. You can go to the rooftop restaurant though, even if you're not a guest, so if you're in the area, I would recommend it because the view was pretty amazing. Our room included breakfast, and it was nice to start each day with a free meal. And it was really great breakfast covering a number of different cultures. If you are looking to stay in Shinjuku, I would highly recommend the Prince Shinjuku Hotel. However, if we ever go back to Tokyo, I would probably stay in a much quieter neighborhood. After 7 days, the busyness of Shinjuku was a lot. But there are multiple Prince Hotels in Tokyo, so I definitely look into one of them if we ever go back.